What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing a new Adidas Adilette 22 slide carbon. Let's get into it. First of all, we have a different little box. It's the same little small Adidas box. It's all blue with the 3 stripes in white with your Adidas branding right here on the side. Same on this side, nothing too spectacular. But let's go to the front of the box, and it reads Adilette 22, and the colorway is carbon, carbon, and carbon. Let's get into the insides. Okay, so most of the Adilette slides, they come in this box, and it's just a normal, well, not normal, but you just open it up. Nothing like any other box. Look on the inside, that's pretty much it. You got your white tissue paper, and then it comes with this on the inside, whatever that is. Anyways, let's get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the Adilette 22 carbon. Alright, first of all, I want to start off by saying it's pretty much just black sandal. I mean, but it is the new Adilette Slides, and I like the way they made it look in this 3D dimensional look that they got going on with the slides. It's very different. I had the colorway, the tan colorway of these, which is very nice. But these black colorway came out, so I definitely had to go for the black pair just because I love the other pair so much, and they're so comfy and just easy to slide on. So went for the carbons. They just came out about a couple weeks ago. Was just able to actually cop a pair. I mean, these are actually selling out just as fast as the actual Yeezy slides are. So if you can get your hands on a pair of these, then hey, you was lucky, because man, these are very hard to get somewhat. But if you just keep paying attention, you should be able to grab your pair after a while if you're not in a rush to get them. So I just, chill back, and then I happened to see they popped on Champs online, so I was able to cop me a pair of them. And this time I actually got these in grade school sizes. Last time I got men's sizes. This time I went with grade school, and sizing on these is pretty spot on. Like on the men's sizes, I had to go a whole full size down, but on these I just went my actual normal grade school size, which is size 6, and they fit just right. So if you go for these and you're going for the grade school sizes, make sure you just go for your normal grade school size. Don't size up, don't size down, and you should be good to go. But let's go ahead and get into the aspects of the shoe. As you can see, pretty much it's just an all black EVA foam shoe, just pretty all over the whole shoe is EVA foam. I like the little 3-dimensional things they got going on the side, make it look 3D. They said these is what sandals would look like if we were on Mars. So this is it. This is an example of what they would look like. You got your little branding right here that says the brand with 3 stripes right here on the side of the shoe. Still got that little 3-dimensional coming across the whole back of the shoe all the way through the sides to the insides of the shoe. Also, you got your normal slide-in part right here, pretty wide length for your foot. It's not as tight as Yeezy slides are, so these are easily just slide in and out. They don't squish onto your foot when you put them on. It just fits just like a slide it's supposed to. We're gonna go to the bottom. As you can see, you got those little 3-dimensional things on the bottom. Just kind of looks exactly like when you're on Mars, on another planet. That's what this looks like. That's what the look they was going for. Overall, just like I said, all black EVA foam, very comfy. It's squishy. It's not as comfortable as a Yeezy slide. I am going to say that. Yeezy slides have a bunch of cushion in them. These, they have cushion, but it's just not as much as Yeezy slide, but they are still very comfy. So if you wasn't able to get a Yeezy slide by now, and you're able to get these, I would definitely recommend you go ahead and go for these, and you won't be disappointed because they are very comfortable slide. But yeah, this was the right shoe. Let's get to the left shoe. Looks the same as that way. You got your all black EVA foam going throughout the whole shoe, all the way around the shoe. Right here, the brand with 3 stripes right here on the side of the shoe, right here with the Adidas symbol right there on the top of the shoe. You got that little, to me this looks like 3 stripes right here on the top, like in a 3-dimensional way. They're just not actually there, but it looks to me like 3 stripes would go right there. We're gonna go to the side. So you got that 3-dimensional come across this whole side of the shoe. Bottom of the shoe looks like I said on a planet, on Mars somewhere. but that's what the bottom of the shoe looks like. Overall, very, very comfortable shoe. When you open them up, this shoe comes with this little tag on it, just say Adilette 22 and the size in, and that's pretty much it for that. But like I said, just overall, very nice shoe, very comfortable. Black. I liked it that it was black. I wanted the black one, so because I liked the tan one so much, I had to go for the black just because I like the comfortability of those. So I went for these, and yeah, very comfortable shoe. Y'all let me know down in the comment below. Have you been able to copy your pair of these yet? Do you even want a pair? Or what do you think? Are you still rather wait and get you some Yeezy slides? Y'all let me know down in the comment below. But like I said, cost-wise, these are more cost-efficient. They don't go for much, or even when you try to get them on the resale market, it's still not that high as a Yeezy slide would be. But if your preference is a Yeezy slide, then hey, go for the Yeezy slides, because we all know we all love these Yeezy slides. They're so comfortable. But for me, these right here are my go-tos when I get home every day to slide them in and go. Like I said, this part up in here is not as tight as a Yeezy slide is, so that's the only thing I have to say bad about a Yeezy slide is this area right here fits your foot kind of tight. So after a while of walking around, if you don't have socks on, then it starts to hurt in that area. But I know most people wear theirs with socks, but me, I don't, so that's why it hurts me in that area. But that's it overall. Let me just show y'all a Yeezy slide up against this, just so you can tell which one you would rather get. This is your Yeezy slides in the Onyx colorway, and this is your Adilette 22 in the carbon colorway. I don't get the difference in the colors. This says carbon, this says Onyx. I mean, they're both black, so y'all let me know what y'all thinking. Which one would you go for, the Yeezy slide that everyone loves, or would you go for the Adilette 22? Y'all let me know down in the comment below. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. If you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Hit that like button if you like my videos. Just, you're looking at the video anyway, go ahead and hit that like button. But if you're new to watching my channel also, go follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. That's where I post all my fits and just different things on Instagram. And yeah, if you want to conversate, we can conversate on Instagram or on the tube. But y'all, that's all I got for y'all today. So until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.